Dear children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. In previous class, we have studied about subtraction. Yes, children. Now, let us recall what was done in the last class. Okay. In the previous class, we have studied about finding the missing number. Yes, children. In this topic, we have studied two important points. That is, first point is, if the subtrahend is missing, then the difference is subtracted from the minuend. Okay, that means subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference. Yes, children, that is first point. Now the second point is, to find the missing minuend, the difference is added to the subtrahend. Okay, so minuend is equal to difference plus subtrahend. Okay, children, these 2 points are very important. Okay, first point is, if the subtrahend is missing, then the difference is subtracted from the minuend, and second point is, to find the missing minuend, the difference is added to the subtrahend. Okay, so now we will learn about some problems by following these 2 points. Okay, okay children, now listen all of you, look at the board, see the question in exercise 3.3, fifth one. Solve the following. Okay, in fifth question, first one, if the subtrahend is 2,27,364 and the minuend is 3,69,638, then find the difference. Okay, here what was given this question? What guys given in this question? Say, 2 values are given. Yes, one is subtrahend and another is minuend. Yes, children, and what is being asked in this question? Difference. Yes or no? Difference. Difference means the answer of an subtraction is called difference. Okay, difference na the answer of an subtraction is called difference. Okay, so subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Yes, children, we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, here bigger number is minuend. The bigger number is called minuend and smaller number is called subtrahend. Okay, so now you find the difference. So the difference is equal to subtract from minuend to subtrahend. Okay, why? Here minuend is the bigger value. Okay, children, so that's why you subtract from minuend minus subtrahend. Okay, here minuend is 3,69,638 and subtrahend is 2,27,364. Okay, yes, now you subtract. First you write the number minuend. Okay, so you write the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, children, so you write 3,69,638 at first. Okay, now write the numbers in columns according to the place value. Okay, here this number have ones place 8, so in ones place below you write 8. Next tens place have 3, next hundreds place have 6, thousands place have 9, 10,000 place have 6 and lakhs place have 3. Okay, children, that first number is over. Now you come to the second number, that is subtrahend. Okay, now subtrahend. Now arrange the numbers in columns according to the place value. Okay, here in ones place have 4, so ones place below you write 4, tens place below you write 6, hundreds place below you write 3, thousands place below you write 7, 10,000 place below you write 2 and lakhs place below you write 2. Okay, now subtract. We start subtraction from ones place. Okay, children, here ones place have 8 and 4. Okay, now subtracting in ones place 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so your answer is 8 minus 4 is equal to your answer is 4. Okay, yes. Now you come to the tens place. Here tens place have 3 and 6. Okay, here 3 is smaller than 6, so it cannot be subtract from 3 to 6. Yes, children. So you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here in hundreds place have 6. Now you borrowed 1, so 6 becomes 5. Here 3 is there, so now you get borrow. Yes, so that means 3 becomes 13. Now you got borrow. Yes, children. So that's why 3 becomes 13. Okay, clear? Yes. So then now you subtracting in tens place 13 minus 6. Here 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So what's the answer? 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Okay. Clear, children? Yes. Now you come to the hundreds place. Now subtracting in hundreds place. Okay. Here hundreds place have 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3. Okay. So 3 after 4, 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to your answer is 2. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the thousands place. Now subtracting in thousands place. Here 9 and 7. Okay. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 7 after 8, 9. So your answer is again 2. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the 10,000 place. Now subtracting in 10,000 place. Okay. So 6 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 6 minus 2 is equal to your answer is 4. Okay. Yes. Now you come to the lakhs place. Lakhs place have 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2. 2 after 3. So your answer is only 1. Okay. So therefore the difference is equal to say the final answer 1,42,274. Okay, 1,42,274. Okay, children. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு சப்ட்ராஹெண்ட் மினிமம்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, டிஃபரன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். சரியா? டிஃபரன்ஸ்னா என்னது? The answer of an subtraction. Subtraction means subtract from minimum to subtrahend. Okay, இங்க bigger number தான் minimumல இருக்கும், subtrahendல smaller number தான் இருக்கும். சரியா? நம்ம அப்ப என்ன செய்ய போறோம்? Subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, so that's why arrange the numbers in columns according to the place value, then after subtract. Yes, children. So your answer is difference is equal to 1,42,274. Okay, children, clear? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date. Take fast, children. Pencil la sharp panni vechirkiya? Sharp pannalana sharp pannu. Okay. Yes, children, sharp your pencil, then after start writing. Okay. Okay, now you start. Don't take new page. Okay, continue your writing. Okay, children. So in exercise 3.3 fifth question, you write the question. Okay, take a page and write today's day and date and write question. Fifth question, solve the following. And in fifth question, first one, if the subtrahend is 2,27,364 and the minuend is 3,69,638, find the difference. Write neatly, children. Okay, write with good handwriting. Okay, that handwriting is very, very important. So write neatly and slowly. Okay. ஹோம்ஒர்க்கில் உங்களுடைய ஒரு சில பிள்ளைங்களோட ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங்கை பார்த்தேன், நல்லாவே இல்லை. சரியா? நீட்டாக எழுதுங்க. நீட்டாக எழுதும் பொழுது தான் நாளைக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? அடுத்த நேரம் உன்னோட நோட்டை எடுத்து நீங்களே பார்க்க முடியும். நம்மளுக்காண்டி தான் எழுதுகிறோம், அப்படி தானா? மேமுக்காண்டி எழுதுறியா? இல்லை. அப்பா அம்மாவுக்காண்டி எழுதுறியா? இல்லை. உனக்காண்டி எழுதுற நீ. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும், ஒழுங்காக எழுது, நீட்டாக பிளேஸுக்கு நேராக அழகாக எழுது. Have you finished? Have you finished? Yes, children? Yes. Now the second question. In fifth question, second one, okay. Children, listen. What has given this question? Mean unit and difference. Yes, children, you see the question. If the mean unit is 7,34,340 and the difference is 2,16,628, then find the subtrahend. Okay. If the one point, important point is there, now let us recall, okay. The point is, if the subtrahend is missing, then the difference is subtracted from the mean unit. Yes, children, that means subtrahend is equal to, say, mean unit minus difference, okay. Mean unit minus difference. Subtrahend நம்மளுக்கு தரல, எதெல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, mean unitம் differenceம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், subtrahend கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்ப நம்மளுக்கு subtrahend எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம், mean unitல இருந்து என்ன செய்யணும், difference sub பண்ணணும். Okay, so very important point. Okay, children, if the subtrahend is missing, then the difference is subtracted from the mean unit. Okay, here subtracted from mean unit to difference. Okay, children, so that is called subtrahend. Okay, so here, so how will you find? Subtrahend is equal to mean unit minus difference. Okay, so that's why subtract from mean unit to difference. Okay, so first of all you write the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so first where is mean unit? Here. So you write 7,34,340 at first. Okay, now write the number in column according to the place value. Here one's place have 0, So ones place below you write 0. Next tens place have 4, hundreds place have 3. Next 4 and 10,000 have 3, lakh have 4. Okay children. Next arrange the next number difference. Okay, so now arrange the number in columns according to the place value. Okay, here ones place have 8, so ones place below you write 8, tens place 2, hundreds place 6 and thousands place have again 6. Now 10,000 place 1, then lakhs place have 2. Okay, now we have to subtract 7,34,342, 2,16,628. Okay children, we start subtraction from ones place. Okay, here ones place have 0 and 8, so it cannot be subtract from 0 to 8. Yes children, why? 0 is smaller than 8. Okay, so that's why now you go to the next place and get borrow. Okay, here next place have 4, so now you borrowed 1, so that's why 4 becomes 3. Here now you got borrow, yes, so that's why 0 becomes 10. Okay children, now you subtracting in ones place 10 minus 8, so 8 after 9, 10, so 10 minus 8 is equal to, your answer is 2. Next tens place have 3 and 2, 3 minus 2, 2 after 3, so 3 minus 2 is equal to, your answer is 1. Okay, next you come to the hundreds place. Hundreds place have 3 and 6. Okay, so here 3 is smaller than 6, so it cannot be subtract. Okay, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here next place have 4, so now you borrowed 1, so that means 4 becomes 3, here 3 becomes 13. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you subtracting in hundreds place. 13 minus 6, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13 minus 6 is equal to, your answer is 7. Okay, yes. Now you come to the thousands place. Here 3 minus 6 is not possible. Yes, it cannot be subtract from 3 to 6. Yes children, 3 is smaller than 6, so that's why you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here 10,000 place have 3, so now 3 becomes 2, here 3 is there, so 3 becomes 13. Okay, now 13 minus 6, again already in hundreds place have also same number, so this is same only, so your answer is again 7. Okay, yes. Now you come to the 10,000 place, 2 and 1. Now 2 minus 1, how much? 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 after 2, so your answer is only 1. Now you come to the lakhs place, 7 and 2. Okay, now 7 minus 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so your answer is 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, therefore what? Subtrahend. Yes children, so now subtrahend is equal to, what's the answer? 5,17,712. Okay, clear children? Yes or no? Okay, no, now subtrahend is 5,17,712 and minuend is 7,34,340 and your difference is 2,16,628. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note in 5th question, second one. Write it. உன்னோட ஆன்சர் கரெக்டானு எப்படி செக் பண்ணுறது? என்ன செய்யணும்? மினிமம்லேருந்து இதை சப் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். செக் பண்ணிடுவோமா? நவ் செக்கிங். ஓகே, checking you write in your rough work area. Okay children, checking means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, here small, that is bigger number is minuend. Okay, that means first you write the place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay children, so write minuend at first. Okay, here ones place have 0, 0, 4, 3, 4, 3, 7. Okay, here subtract and is your answer is 5,17,712. 12. Okay, here ones place have 2, tens place have 1, hundreds place have 7, again thousands place have 7, 1, 5. Okay children, now you subtract. 0 minus 2 is not possible, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, so here 4 becomes 3, 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 2 is equal to, your answer is 8. Okay, now you subtracting in tens place, 3 minus 1, 2. Next you come to the hundreds place, 3 minus 7 is not possible. Why? It is cannot be subtract from 3 to 7. Okay, so you go to the next place, get borrow. So that means here 4 becomes 3. Here this 3 becomes 13. Okay, now 13 minus 7 is equal to, the answer is 6. Again you see here 3. Yes children, here 3 is never subtract from 7. Yes children, so you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay, here 3 is the, so now you borrowed 1, so 3 becomes 2. Here 3 is the, now you got borrow, so that's why 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7, again your answer is 6. Okay, now you subtracting in 10,000 place, 2 minus 1, 1. Now you come to the lakhs place, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So your answer difference is equal to, what is given? 2,16,628. Answer is correct. Okay children, so subtract and the answer is correct. Okay, yes children, now write it in the classwork note. Okay, checking this part you write in rough work area. Okay children, நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு क्वेश्चनோட ஆன்சர். நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கறோம். சரியா? எப்படி செக் பண்ணனும்? மினிமம்ல இருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் அண்ட் சப் பண்ணா டிஃபரன்ஸ் வருதான்னு பார்க்கணும். டிஃபரன்ஸ் ஏற்கனவே உன்னோட क्वेश्चनல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. சரியா? நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், பிகர் நம்பர்ல இருந்து ஸ்மாலர் நம்பரை சப் பண்ணி உன்னோட டிஃபரன்ஸ் கரெக்ட்டானி செக் பண்ணும்போது உன்னோட ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட்னா கரெக்டா இருக்கும், இல்லனா அங்க என்னவா இருக்கும், ராங்கா இருக்கும். சரியா? ஓகே, நீ இந்த பார்ட்டை என்ன செய்யணும், உன்னோட நோட்ல ரஃப் ஒர்க்ல எழுதி வச்சுக்க. சரியா? செக்கிங். Now write it in the classwork note. Write neatly. Okay. Have you finished? Yes? Okay, now next question. In fifth question, third one. All of you listen, see the question. In fifth one, third question, okay. If the subtrahend is 1,28,900 and the difference is 1,10,628, find the minuend. Okay, children. Here, what has given this question? Subtrahend and difference. Yes, children. Subtrahend and difference. What is being asked in this question? Minuend. Okay. So, to find the missing minuend, the difference is added to the subtrahend. Okay, children. The point is, to find the missing minuend, the difference is added to the subtrahend. Okay. That means minuend. Minuend is equal to difference plus or subtrahend plus difference, anything, okay. So, difference plus subtrahend. Okay, children. So, நம்ம அப்ப என்ன செய்யணும், நம்மளுக்கு minuend கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். minuend கண்டுபிடிக்க என்ன பண்ணா போதும், difference ஐயும் subtrahend ஐயும் add பண்ணா போதும். சரியா? Now, you write the place value chart, okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now, you write difference, okay. Here, difference is 1,10,628. Now, write the numbers in columns, okay. So, according to the place value, here ones place have 8 and tens place have 2. Next, 6, 0, 1, 1. Okay, children. Now, you write 1,28,900 at second, okay. So, ones place have 0, tens place have 0, hundreds place have 9, thousands place have 8, 10,000 place have 2, and lakhs place have 1. Now, you add, okay. நம்மளுக்கு minimum கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், என்ன செய்யணும், ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணணும், difference ஐயும் subtrahend ஐயும், okay. Now, we start addition from ones place, okay. Here ones place have 8 and 0. Now, you add 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Okay, children. நம்ம 0வை எந்த நம்பர் கூட add பண்ணாலும் அதே நம்பர் தான் ஆன்சரா வரும். சரியா? So, your answer is 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Next, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Next, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Here 15 is a 2-digit number. So, that's why you put 5 here, ones place. Okay, or you put ones place here, tens place go to the another place. Okay, here. So, that's why you put 5 here, 1 go to next place. That is thousands place, carry. Okay, children. Okay, yes. Next, you add thousands place, okay. Now, don't put cross. Now, thousands place have 0 and 8. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. Now, add to carry. So, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, next, you come 10,000 place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Next, lakhs, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, children. Therefore, this is only minuend. Okay, so minuend is equal to 2,39,528. Okay, your answer is 2,39,528. Okay, now we will check in this answer. Okay, so checking means we have to subtract from minuend to subtrahend. Okay, here minuend is your answer. So, now write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, now arrange first number, that is minuend as first. Okay, so here ones place have 8. So, you write ones place below, you write 8. Tens place 2 and hundreds place 5. Thousands place 9. 10,000 place 3 and lakhs place 2. Okay. Next, you write subtrahend. Okay, children. Now arrange the number in columns. Okay, according to the place value. Here ones place have 0. So ones place below you write 0. Tens place 0. Hundreds place 9. Thousands place 8. 10,000 place 2. And lakhs place 1. Okay. Now you subtract. We start subtraction from lowest place. Okay. So that means ones place. Okay, children. Yes? Okay. Now you subtracting in one's place 8 minus 0. What is the answer? 8 minus 0? 8. Children, 0 subtracted from a number does not change the value of the number. Okay. So that's why our answer is 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Next 2 minus 0, 2. Next 5 minus 9. It cannot be subtract from 5 to 9. So you go to the next place, get borrow. Okay. So here 9 is there. So 9 becomes 8, 5 becomes 15. Okay. Now 15 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. How much? 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Okay. Next 8 minus 8. Same number. Okay. Minimum and is same as subtrahend. So difference is 0. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next 3 minus 2. 1. Next 2 minus 1, 1. So your answer 1,10,628. That is difference. Okay children. These both answers are equal. Okay. So your answer minimum end is correct. Okay, clear? Yes. Now write it in the classwork note. In fifth sum, third question. Write it in your classwork note. Checking part, you write in rough work area. Okay children? புரிஞ்சுதா? checking நீ என்ன செய்துக்க? rough workல எழுதிக்க உன்னோட நோட்ல. ஆனா கண்டிப்பா எழுதணும், சரியா? Okay children, now next question. In exercise 3.3, sixth question, okay. Allow me listen carefully. See the question. Find the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. Okay. Here what is being asked in this question? Difference. Yes, children. Difference means subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay. Subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So, what is given? Here two numbers are given. First number is the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. Okay. So, first of all you write smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number. Say, what is the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest number. Smallest number எதில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும்? ஹையஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் எது இருக்கும்? 1 இருக்கும். சரியா? ஸோ ஹையஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் 1 இருக்கும். ரிமைனிங் டிஜிட்லாம் என்னவா இருக்கும்? 0வா இருக்கும். ஓகே. The smallest 6-digit number. So already here 1 digit. So remaining how many zeros? 5 zeros. So that means your smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Now write the greatest 5-digit number. So greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number is 5 times 9. Yes, children? 5 times 9. So your number is 99,999. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? உனக்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Find the difference கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆனா கொடுத்திருக்கிறது என்னது? Smallest 6-digit number. நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்குமே தெரியும் smallest 6-digit numberனா என்ன? 1 lakh. Greatest 5-digit number 99,999. Okay, children? Now we have to find difference. Okay. Difference means the answer of an subtraction. That means we have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Now you see here, which number is bigger number? 1 lakh or 99,999? Which number is bigger number? Say. Yes, 1 lakh is the bigger number. Yes, children? How? 1 lakh have 6 digits. That is 99,999 have 5 digits. Is that no? So the number of digits are more. That number only highest number, biggest number. Yes, children? So that's why the biggest number is 1 lakh. Okay. Now you subtract from 1 lakh to 99,999. Okay, children? Now write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Now you write 1 lakh at first. Why? 1 lakh is the bigger number. Okay. Yes. So now you arrange the numbers in columns according to the place value. Okay. Now you write the 99,999 at second. Okay. So write the numbers in columns according to the place value. Here one's place have 9. So one's place below you write 9. Tens place write 9. Hundreds place 9. Thousands place 9. 10,000 place 9. Okay, children. Now what is the answer? We start subtraction from one's place. Okay. Here one's place have 0 and 9. It cannot be subtract from 0 to 9. So you go to the next place. Here also 0. So tens go to the next place 100. That also 0. So 100 goes to the next place 1000. That also 0. Next 1000 place go to the next place 10,000 place. That also 0. And 10,000 place go to the next place lakhs place. Okay. Here lakhs place have 1. So now 1 becomes 0. Here 10,000 place have 0. So 0 becomes now 10. Okay, children. Now we need thousands place. So thousands place go to the 10,000 place get borrow. So now you borrowed 1. So 10 becomes 9. Here 0 is the 10. Okay. Again. Here 0 is the 0 becomes 10. Here 10 is there. You borrowed 1. So that's why 9. Now here 10 is there. Now you borrowed 1. So that's why 10 becomes 9. Here 0 is there. 0 becomes 10. Okay. Now again. Here 0 is the, you borrowed 1, so that's why here 10 becomes 9, here 0 is the, 0 becomes 10. Okay, children? Now clear? Yes. Now you subtracting in one's place. One's place have 10 and 9. Okay. So 10 minus 9 is equal to 9 after 10. So your answer is only 1. Next you come to the tens place. Tens place have 9 and 9 same number, okay? So 0. Hundreds place 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, children? So your answer is, the difference is 1. Okay? Clear? Yes. Therefore, the answer is equal to 1. Okay? புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்மளுக்கு பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். ஆனா 1 lakhல இருந்து 99,999 சப் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்ன? 1 தான். ஆனா நம்ம செய்து பார்க்கறோம். சரியா? Okay? Now write it in the classwork note. Sixth question. Find the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. Okay? Write neatly. Okay, children? Once a question and answer is completed, put a line. Okay? Fifth question. Already over. Okay? So you put a line using scale. Okay? Yes. Now you start sixth question and write the answer. Okay, children? Write neatly. Okay? Have you finished? Now the next question. In sixth question, second one, find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number. Listen, children. Your question is, find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, so first of all you write the greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number? 5 times greatest number. So that's why you write 5 digits. So you number of digits are need 5. Okay. So greatest number in 1 digit 9. Yes, children. But here 5 digit need. Okay. So that's why 5 times you write 9. Okay. So your number is 99,999. Okay. Now next number is greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is how much? 4 times 9. Yes, children. So that means 9,999. Okay, 4 times 9. So 9,999. Now you have to find difference. Okay, children. So difference between two numbers. These two numbers. Okay. So arrange the numbers. First of all, you write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Up to 10,000 only. Yes, children. Now you arrange the number. Bigger number at first. Here bigger number is 99,999. Okay. So you write 99,999 at first. Okay. Here ones place have 99999. Then next arrange the numbers 9,999 at second. Okay. So ones place have 999. Now subtract. We start subtraction from ones place. Here ones place have 9 and 9. Okay. Here minimum and subtrahend are same. So that means difference is equal to 0. 0, 0, 0. Here you see here 1,000, 10,000 place only have 9. So that's why same number, same answer only were answer. Okay. So 99,999 minus 9,999 is equal to your answer is 90,000. Okay. Clear, children? Yes. So your answer is 90,000. Okay. Now write it in the classwork note. In 6th question, second one. Okay. In 6th question, first one finished. Yes or no? Yes. So now put a line using scale. ஓகே, எப்போது நம்ம லைன் போட்டாலுமே ஸ்கேலை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் லைன் போடணும். சரியா? கையை வச்சு லைன் போடக்கூடாது. திருப்பி திருப்பி சொல்கிறேன். சரியா? நான் நோட்டை செக் பண்ணும்போது கையை வச்சு யாரெல்லாம் லைன் போட்டிருந்தியோ மொத்தத்தையும் அழிக்க வேண்டியிருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால் இப்போமே ஒழுங்காக லைனை போட்டு அழகாக எழுது. ரைட் இட் இன் 6th question, second one. Okay, children? Write it. Okay, children, now all of you take your book, page number 38. Children, now all of you take your book, page number 38, mark homework sums. Children, all of you take your book, page number 38. In exercise 3.3, question number 6. All of you take your book, page number 38 and see 6th question. In 6th question, A and D. Okay. In this type of question only. Okay, children. So very easy. Okay. So do it in your homework note. புரிஞ்சுதா? எல்லாரும் book எடுத்தாச்சா? Yes. Okay. In page number 38, question number 6. In question number 6, A and D. Okay, children? Sorry, A and C. Okay. A, D already done. Yes, children? So, A and C. A and C. Mark the homework sums and do in your homework note. Okay, children? Okay? Yes. Now we will see in the next class. Okay? Thank you.